Here's one of the propellers used on the Hindenburg. Maybe hard to get a good sense of scale here, but I'd say that's about, I don't know, 18 feet, a little bigger. So yeah, it's big. Down here is the drive shaft assembly, running from the engine. And again, there's the prop up there. There's a piece of Zeppelin frame constructed from a composite layup with carbon fiber, what looks like Kevlar. That's really cool. And it's really light, just a few ounces. Yeah, it's really light. For comparison, they've got an aluminum one over here, like what was used on the Hindenburg, which weighs easily a couple of pounds. Cool. Through this hallway here, come out into the lounge. Again, another set of windows to view the landscape below. Cool. Dornier Wal was Dornier's first all-metal hulled flying boat. Notice this drone here is constructed almost the exact same way as most composite competition level sailplanes, which I find interesting. I mean, from the looks of it, probably can't see as well on camera as I can here in real life, but it pretty much looks like it's a fiberglass and carbon fiber layup. And those props pretty much look like the what are they, the Graupner folding props that you can get on Flight Comp? Yeah, funny. I find this really interesting. Look how much deflection the rudder had on this aircraft. Look how much deflection. Left and then right. That's crazy. And you'd think for an aircraft with so little dihedral, you wouldn't want so much rudder deflection. But there you have it.